People keep sending me articles that say jojoba oil is not good for your beard. Some even take it farther and say that it can be harmful for your beard. Part of the reason why I am getting sent these articles is because if you followed this channel for any amount of time, you know I have no problem going against the grain, bringing out information that is not common or popular in the beard market industry. Examples recently would be me showing the cons or kind of downsides to certain ingredients, and companies, a lot of them, removing them from their ingredient list and removing them from the products that they have. Now, I want to take an unbiased look at jojoba oil and check out these claims. Is there something to it, or is it just clickbait articles that are trying to accentuate their products, trying to bring down other companies, or just get revenue to their site, which we see all over the internet today? I'm going to break all that down, and welcome to the channel, especially if you guys are new here. Thank you for clicking this video. If that sounds like information you would like to learn, please hit a thumbs up right now. You can change it later if you don't mind. And please, if you are not subscribed to the channel, it would absolutely make my day. I really mean that. If you could hit that subscribe button to check out future videos. Claim number 1. Jojoba oil aggravates and adds to the problem of beard dandruff, aka Beardruff. The reasoning or the logic behind this claim is that jojoba oil is a liquid wax. This is a lazy argument. Yes, 100% true. Jojoba is a liquid wax. It acts as an oil, it feels like an oil, it looks like an oil, but technically a liquid wax, which has been mentioned many times on this channel. So people want to assume, oh, if you have beardruff and you're just putting wax over it, that's going to make the problem worse. It's going to clog pores. It's going to really create this issue of dead and dry skin. False. That is not true at all. This jojoba oil, liquid wax, comes in at a 2 rating on the comedogenic scale, which essentially means it is unlikely to clog anyone's pores. We can even take that a step farther. Jojoba oil is used to treat acne and clogged pores with many different people, including children that are going through hormonal changes and are getting those pimples. If that's a thing that is used to treat pimples on teenagers, it absolutely is not going to be a problem for beardruff on us grown men. Claim number 2, and again, these are their claims from these websites. They say that jojoba oil is a greasy ingredient and will leave your beard feeling like a mess. This is another lazy point that lacks all perspective and knowledge. Jojoba oil is a sealing or coating ingredient that does kind of stay on the outside of the hairs before it absorbs in. It is not a fast absorbing oil. Facts, true, I will give you that. But when you are treating a beard, you need to have a well-balanced blend that is going to fast absorb and it is going to seal and coat the outside. In your blend, if it is only something that is going to be fast absorbing quickly into the hair and into the skin, the impact of that oil is only going to last a very short amount of time. To get that proper balance of locking in moisture, sealing in the water on the hair and on the skin, you need some of those ingredients to coat the outside of that hair and the outside of the skin. Get a well-balanced team where everybody can do their job properly. That is so important. Jojoba is a valued member of most teams because of that sealing or coating property. Claim number 3, jojoba oil is a health risk. You can be allergic to jojoba oil. True, 100% facts once again. However, people can be allergic and are allergic to anything. There are literally people allergic to grass. Probably some viewers right now. Not hating on you, just throwing out a point there. Jojoba oil is one of the least common allergens that we see used in beard products. It is actually classified as a rare allergy. This is such a ridiculous point that has no validity in being a concern or being a reason why people do not use an ingredient. If that was the case, every single beard product should be unscented because the most common allergies come from essential oils. A little food for thought right there. The source of these articles and information comes down to clickbait titles, poor logic and research, and likely just companies that are trying to get a heads up by putting other companies down. There is absolutely nothing wrong with jojoba oil. It is a personal preference. If you like it, rock on. If you dislike it, that's okay too. But companies and consumers, there is no reason to avoid this ingredient. No reason whatsoever, and I would tell you if there was. Now, are there any other ingredients out there that you guys have heard that I haven't covered on this channel, right? The big common one would be grapeseed oil. I have a video on that. I also have a video on cheap filler oils. Check that one out. But is there something that you have heard to stay away from, but maybe it just doesn't seem right, or maybe you don't know the actual reason behind it? Please leave a comment down below. And hey, what are your thoughts on jojoba oil? Do you like beard oils and beard products that contain that ingredient? Or is it something you found that just doesn't work for you? I would love to hear everybody's perspective, and I'm sure there's some companies listening out there right now that would also love to hear. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you didn't already, again, I know I mentioned at the start, if you could, hit that thumbs up or leave it hit. That does help the channel out a lot. Thank you guys. Dan C. Bearded, stay bearded, and stay positive.